Hey there, I'm Mike.
I'm Becky.
And this is the afternoon edition of the Mike and Becky Show, the unboxing edition.
Normally, I'm not big on unboxing.
Yes.
It's just kind of boring. I get it.
Well, we're not Canadian because they have unboxing day after Christmas. They unbox things.
But we're excited because what we have here is going to outfit the camper that we got to go with the truck that we got to get away from
this. Yes. All that cold white stuff out there. So
when November comes early,
storms in November come early. Yes,
we want to get out of here.
Yeah. So once you unbox this, the whole camper will be outfitted. Is that what you said?
Say no.
Everything here's go poof in the camper.
Yeah, poof. The camper. No.
Oh, okay.
No,
but this is
just part of what we're getting to outfit the camper, and so I just wanted to share this. We have here I am using a letter opener. This is a fabulous letter opener. It's made from you said a concrete anchor?
A concrete anchor, yes. They made those in Michigan City back where I grew up with. And not this part here.
Yeah.
But this part here is meant to be drill a hole in concrete, and then as you drive in the little red, they call this the red head, the end there, they drive that in there and it spreads this apart and holds the in the
Not
concrete.
that you can buy these anywhere. Not that
no,
you can buy these anywhere.
It's a limited edition promo product.
Yeah. You're not, you can't
and it's at least 50 years old too, by the way.
But it works great.
It's a fantastic letter opener. Thank you, Dad.
Thank you.
Oh,
okay.
A box in a box.
A box in a box.
There's the Russian doll boxes, okay?
Oh
no, there's two.
There's two.
There's two boxes, because there's another box, and that one tells you what it is.
So this one is a 24-piece kitchen set.
Okay.
So we have all the utensils so that we can cook.
It's like 4.
In our camper. Well, it says 24-piece.
Okay, I see.
There you go.
Okay. I see that, but it says there's 4 pictures.
So we will be.
Okay. Are we gonna stay with us the whole time?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, cool. We don't even have one of those.
So they're all different colors.
Yeah.
They're all different colors. I went with
rainbow.
Went with them just like.
Yeah.
The rainbow of colors.
There we go. So it's kind of nice because you'll be able to tell which is which.
Be able to find them in the drawers in our new kitchen.
Okay.
And then this.
I'm gonna go with plates and bowls.
You think?
Yeah.
Maybe?
Yeah. But where do you see them?
We can't say the F word because it's not actually F-ware. But it's the kind of colors of that.
Oh, Fiesta ware is what she's trying to say.
And these
cool.
These are made out of wheat straw, and they're dishwasher safe, they're microwave safe, they're gluten free,
and they're I believe they are compostable too.
Yes, compostable. They're lightweight, which is what we need when we're traveling. So we have have bowls, we have cups, we have plates that have big kind of ridges on the side, and then
like ruffles.
For every color comes with its own little knife, fork, and spoon. I'm not sure how sturdy those are. We might have to supplement these, but hey,
we'll see. All right,
we're starting. We're on our way.
Yep. So this is like the first item that we purchased special for Winnie. Winnie is the name of our camper, and Ruby is the name of the truck. And you'll find out a little bit later why they're called Ruby and Winnie. All right. Is that it for today?
Thought we'd share.
Okay.
Bye.
Take care. Like and subscribe.